Best deals. 1. Chopping board. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials, this chopper guarantees safe, toxin-free food preparation for your family. Designed for effortless operation, it enables quick and precise chopping, reducing prep time and making cooking more enjoyable. The smooth surface resists food residue. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Basket. Perfect for keeping food items safe from bugs and debris while dining outside. It is great to have on hand during camping or picnic trips. Also convenient for home use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fridge storage divider. Made from non-toxic, odorless plastic, safe for seasonings, condiments, and kitchen essentials. Perfect for small kitchens or maximizing fridge space. Adjustable custom fit, slide to preferred length to fit any drawer or shelf. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Splatter screen. Made of stainless steel, can withstand high temperatures, can be folded into any shape you need for easy cleaning, also not easily corrosion and rust resistant. The grease splatter screen connected by hinges, easily fold to store. You can store it in your drawer and cabinet when it's not in use, without occupying too much space. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ice cube tray. This ice cube tray is made of PP material, which could be used for a long time without being broken because it is long-lasting, perfect for chilling beverages, from water and juice to cocktails and iced coffee. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Soap dispenser. Made of high-quality PE material, ensuring it is sturdy and durable. It won't easily deform, allowing you to use it for a long time. Features an integrated sponge holder, making it easy to store your cleaning sponge or brush right next to the soap. No more drips or mess. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pepper shaker set. Equipped with adjustable pour holes that are just the right size on the lid, the refillable shaker ensures salt and pepper end up only on your food, prevents spilling over the table, allows you to easily control the amount. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Tap extension. 360 degrees rotating, flexible water flow, easily adjust direction for washing dishes, vegetables and cleaning sinks with precision. Water-saving faucet extender mixes air with water to reduce wastage while maintaining high pressure for daily use. No tool installation, fits most taps, quickly attaches to standard kitchen sink taps without plumbing skills. Multi-purpose, kitchen and basin, perfect for kitchen sink tap, faucet, basin cleaning, and household chores. Durable and rust resistant. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Mitts. Easy to wash and dishwasher friendly design makes cleaning of trivet mat a breeze. Waterproof and damp proof also. The silicone material is easy to bend and twist. Non-slip, flexible. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Mini knife. Each miniature knife includes a sturdy ball chain, so you can use them as pocket knife keychains or hang them on backpacks, keyrings, or lanyards. Features Damascus-style pattern steel blades and wood handles. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Washing basket. Made of environmentally friendly and durable PP materials, will not rust, and is not easily scratched or broken. Kitchen sink drain basket are 4 elephant legs for support, it will not tilt and slip. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Rotating tray. Experience the ease of our 360 rotating organizer, ensuring that everything you need is at your fingertips. Elevate your kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Belin and Chakla stand. Easy to clean, rinse it with warm water and simply wipe the surface of the stand using a dry or wet cloth. It is rust-proof, need less storage space for your kitchen and well-maintained organized kitchen look, it will easily hold. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sink water splash guard. Installing the splash guard is a breeze. Simply wipe the sink area, position the guard, and attach the suction plate. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Pump. With 2 motors working in tandem, the pump can push water more efficiently, reducing the time it takes to dispense water. This ensures smooth and rapid water flow every time you use it. The presence of two motors ensures that the pump operates fast. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Amical. Made of 100% natural black stone by single stone. Every detail, from stone selection to polishing, is meticulously done by hand. This handmade touch brings a personal touch. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Juicer. 2-in-1 design works as juicer and extractor. Made from food-grade plastic, safe and durable. Compact and lightweight design, easy to store and clean, manufactured using high-grade raw material and by the support of imported machines. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Mold. Made up food-grade plastic materials. These molds can be stored easily. These molds can be stored easily to save space. These molds can be stored easily to save space and are very easy to wash and clean. Make your modak in the best shape. Molds are perfect for making Ganpati Bappa modak shaped chocolates, modak filling candles, hard candy, jelly, frozen yogurt treats. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Soap dispenser. Made of high quality ABS material, safe, BPA free and corrosion resistant, fashionable and convenient. This handwash dispenser is an excellent choice for your kitchen and gifts. Features a dual pump design. This hand wash dispenser's pump has two separate soap bottles. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tofu maker. Simply place the loose tofu in the draining container and position the spring at the center of the water container. Then, secure the pressing board on top of the draining container. In just 15 to 30 minutes, the tofu will be transformed into a firmer texture, thanks to the simplicity of the design and the efficient press mechanism. The heat resistance of this material allows for worry-free usage during the pressing process, even at high temperatures. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Oil dispenser. Made with a combination of glass and steel, this dispenser adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. With a generous 200 ml capacity, it provides enough storage space for your favorite oils, sauces, or vinegar. Dispenser is equipped with an auto-flip non-drip spout. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Corn stripper. The corn stripper has a blade which is made of high-quality stainless steel. This great corn stripper makes your work more comfortable in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Peeler. Blade comes with high-grade ultra-sharp, rust-free stainless steel double-edged blades and can retain its sharpness for a long period of time. The second edge replaces the first if blunt. The ergonomic design of the polypropylene handle complements the blade to fit perfectly in the curve of your palm. Product link is given in the 23rd link.